Strong wind continuing to hit much of the state and more snow for some. Chief Meteorologist Joe Diaz shows us where.
Yeah, this first round brought some strong winds across the area. The winds have already peaked across the state, but they're still going to be strong eastern parts of the state as we get into the evening hours. Here you see Albuquerque. We have a mixture of clouds and sunshine across the area, but we had that overnight rain hit the area along with some mountain snow. A very large array. You see some clouds around, wet streets in the Silver City area. They're in for some more snow as we get toward tomorrow morning, and then they're doing some fresh snow over here at Taos Ski Valley. Let's go ahead and check out the ski amounts. Not much at Sandia Peak, unfortunately, but Angel Fire 3 inches, and you see 3 to 6 inches of snow for Red River, Sipapoo, Ski Apache, Ski Santa Fe, Taos Purgatory, and a foot of new snow over in Wolf Creek. As we look at conditions across the area, again, we had, as that front moved on through at midnight, we had a 62-mile-per-hour gust. In the early part of the afternoon, gust over 50 miles an hour. It has been improving. Right now, we have a gust around 39 miles an hour, 29 miles an hour, gusting over 30 at times. As we go ahead and check out conditions across the area, we were looking for a cool down in the area, so yeah, that did kick in as expected statewide. Everybody colder than we were this time yesterday, significantly so. Those strong winds are starting to lower, but again, it's bone dry out there, so the fire threat is real. It's dry out there. Blowing dust is still a concern. You could get the low visibility. We're in impact mode through the 5 p.m. hour here in the Albuquerque area, but notice the winds continue to lower across the area, which is a good thing as we go into the morning hours. So here's the front moving on through. There's some wraparound moisture up around northeastern parts of the state, but we're going to get this in. We're going to get this out. Here's the next system already moving toward us, and you see this moisture that'll be rolling into southern and eastern portions of New Mexico. That's why we have winter weather advisories continuing until midnight, I should say noon tomorrow, and this one will be expiring as we get to 6 p.m. with that winter storm warning across the northern mountains. All right, let's go ahead and show you. This is 5 o'clock for this evening. There you see the snow starting to pick up from Silver City, and then as we go to the 9 o'clock hour, it's pretty spotty southern parts of the state, and then as we get into the afternoon, just a sporadic rain and snow across the area. But yeah, there could be 1 to 3 inches anywhere from Reserve on into Silver City, lesser amounts to the north. We'll have more about what we're expecting with the next system and the improvement for the latter portion of the weekend coming up.